Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a really rare item. We can't seem to find these anymore. 1984 Honda Big Red 200. These are the shaft drive with high, low, and reverse. This one has a good recoil and a good starter. The rack is really decent and straight on it. Seat, somebody did the black tape cover project, but the base seems to be solid. Tank is dented on this side right here, but does not leak and is not rusted. I mean, it's a nice tank. I think the thing was stored indoors somewhere where the guy I got it from. Fork goes up and down, but clearly it needs a rebuild. Other than that, everything's there. Everything works. Let me start it up here. The indicator lights work on there. Let me pull it with the recoil first time. So you can see the recoil works good, goes back in good. And if you don't want it to run off the recoil, then you can hit that, hit the starter. It starts off the starter. Runs good, idles good. The test run I took on it, everything worked good. Went in and out of reverse and high-low, went through all the gears well. Didn't seem to be burning any oil. This stuff all, they don't have the rubber latch for this pieces here. The trunk and the trunk latch, air cleaner. So everything's rolling. Let me slow that chop down a little bit. Underneath the seat, there, airbox cover and all. So I don't know if anybody needs any Honda Big Red parts, whether it's 200E or 200ES and 200M. Hopefully from this machine and from some other machines, we probably have what you need. This has some like Chevron tractor tire pattern rear tires. I haven't seen those before. I'll sell those as a pair. Let us know what you need. Remember, subscribe down below to see what else we've got to take apart that you might be interested in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at Recycled and Saved.